What's up, guys? John's Daily Hustle here. I'm Phil's Lawn Care and Landscape out of Springfield, Missouri. So today I'm going to show you guys a couple of my leaf cleanups that I did back in the winter time. I'm going to try and run them all together. Two clips there in the beginning from where I was just in a hustle trying to get things done because I still worked my day job. So I didn't have a whole lot of time, and I was fighting the clock because the sun was going down. It gets dark at 4:30. I got off at 3:30 every day, so there was like an hour there where I really had to work. So I'm going to try and run these all together to where I can just do one video instead of doing several videos, because I'm really trying to get y'all caught up to where I am now, being, August in year 2020. Just a few clips. All I was doing was just leaf mulching, so I was just mulching them up with the Troy built. So you'll see it still looks like there's a lot left over. You don't get the clean look, obviously, when you're mulching as opposed to actually cleaning the leaf. Like I said, I'm going to try and get y'all caught up because I've got a lot of stuff sitting in my garage I need to show y'all, I need to talk about, I need to get y'all to where I'm at now. I got much better content coming. So check this out. Let me know what you guys think. Do y'all do leaf cleanups? Do y'all mulch it? Or do y'all bag it and collect it? Alright, we're here at this next house. Lots of tall grass here. It should have been mowed probably one more time before the fall time. You guys can probably see there's a lot of leaves in that, especially right over there. So we're going to do a nice little leaf mulching. Alright, so we've got the brush removal and stick cleanup, I guess you could say, from the Nightmare on Elm Street house. It's the house out there on Elm Street. I'm gonna go pick up the Mrs. Lawn Care provider, and she's gonna help me out on this one because there's a lot that needs to get done. I still have to finish the leaf cleanup from where this is actually the house where it broke the mower, the Troy built. It destroyed it really. So I'm not going to take the mower because I need the entire bed of the truck on this one, but what I'm going to take to finish the leaves, because there's not much left, I'm going to take that new leaf blower that I just got, the blower vac, and I'm just going to vacuum them up and shred it. And that shouldn't be too bad because that can fit in the back of the truck, especially with the brush and stuff if I need to. And if not, it could fit in the back seat of the truck. So anyways, let me go pick her up and I'll see you when we get there. All right, we're back here at the Nightmare on Elm Street, cleaning up this brush. Here's Mrs. Field's Lawn Care over there helping me out. So we've got the tarp in the bed of the truck. We're throwing all the stuff in the bed, and I'm getting ready to run the leaf blower for the first time, the blower vac. We're going to finish up the leaf job. Well, I didn't get any working footage, but as you can see, the bed is loaded down. We got the pile. There's pretty good compost here. I may actually come back tomorrow after I do a few jobs and pick up some of that. But we got most of it. So right down there is where I broke the mower. Well, here we go. I got the final project done. Forgive those dogs over there, been driving me crazy since I've been here. So this was the easy one. Only took me about 45 minutes to mulch up, I guess. Just doing, around the fence here. And then right here is where it was a real big mess. I ended up doing. So as you guys can see there, I did a lot. I actually had quite a lot of leaf cleanups lined up back in February before I really even knew I was going to go full-time lawn care. But that's a different topic for another day. I'll tell you guys about how I got all kinds of work early in the beginning. I mean, right before I even had any real equipment. In the video, you heard me on one of the first places I was at. I was at the Nightmare on Elm Street house. I didn't quite talk about that, but that was a house I had went to before. We were just doing the, just finishing up the leaf cleanup, and we were picking up all that sticks and hauling away to the debris. I didn't talk about how I actually broke the Troy built mower there, which I'll talk about that maybe in another video, but it broke there, and I just, I hated that house. I hated that property. I just kept saying it was a Nightmare on Elm Street house. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this kind of video and enjoyed the content there. I promise, like I said, the next videos are going to get better and better. I was filming those on a rush because I just wanted to get it done, so I didn't really get a whole lot of me actually cleaning the leaves up, mulching it up. There was one little clip and then the camera died. Get ready for some much better content coming. I've got lots of equipment that I'm getting ready to start unveiling to you guys. Unveiling, however you say it, to you guys, and lots of better content coming. I know you guys are going to enjoy it, so please stick with me. Subscribe if you haven't already so you can watch it, and as always, thanks for watching.